Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, what do you got, man? What do we got this week?
We've been talking a lot about this, just how deficient we are in finding good people.
Amen. Yeah.
It's amazing how many people I have heard this directly from where they lament, like they may have plenty of work, but they can't find anybody to go out and do it.
Right.
Placing the work and just, getting people to show up.
Yeah.
Getting people that are actually competent in their trade area.
Yeah. When they show
their
up,
skill.
Do they actually know what to do? Like when we were talking to Jennifer the other day, it was hilarious when she was saying like, hey, we hired this welder. He came into the shop, started welding and was like, hey, it's hot. Like, really?
Yeah, it's hot.
You don't know that by now,
in
really?
Florida.
It's hot in Florida
when you weld.
and when you weld.
Okay, so we put all that together now. Do you still want to be a welder after you went through school? Yeah, there's like this whole side of things that you're trying, like we're trying to pipeline people into this industry because we know we've got a problem. And, go listen to the Jennifer Wilkerson episode if you want to get into that a little more.
Yeah, for sure.
But, today it really kind of jogs my mind because one of the things that I feel like we, on the more office side of things, like project managerial side and like BIM side, it is very nice when you can get somebody into your company and they've had a level of exposure to construction softwares before they've ever gotten to you.
Yep.
So I want to encourage you, like if you're a student out there, if you're somebody that is thinking, I want to get into the industry, I want to have some skill to that end. And you're in the process of learning right now. You're in the academic process. Look around. There are some really good software resources because many software companies will make their software available to you for free.
Yeah.
You can just have it to use it.
Yeah.
Great example, Bluebeam, our partner, they have an academic program
That's pretty stinking awesome.
You can go and download it.
Yeah. This is something students need to know about and like educators, professors also.
Right.
I think you can go out there and you can get a free seat of Bluebeam to learn with and to, and then you also get access to their Bluebeam University, which is like a whole like training.
Like an online training.
It's an online training. So, if you're an educator, start pointing students in that direction because Bluebeam is, it's an industry tool that is being used all over the place right now for good reason. And we love it. That's also nice that if you have somebody coming into your company, Bluebeam University, you can hand that to somebody new and say, hey, here's the training manual, how to use this, give them some ideas. And what's really fun is that when you tell somebody to go do that or they go do it, they usually come back to the table and they show you something that you missed too.
Oh, that happened a ton. Yeah. We would give somebody training material and then all of a sudden you're getting trained all over again. Did you hear this button? No, I didn't actually.
No idea.
Yeah, I knew that. Totally knew that.
Well, it's funny, like when we were sitting down with all the Bluebeamers around the table, everybody bring up anybody. They would bring up something. You'd be like, "Holy crap! How did I miss that?" Like the G command where you can take a snapshot and then paste it over in an email. Like I blew my mind. I was like, "Holy cow!" I used this for a decade and I had no idea that it did that. So it's really cool to send people through a little training like that, even if they didn't get that in college. So two areas, especially with Bluebeam, obviously our partner. Go check out the academic program.
Yep.
You can go get a free license over there if you are out of college. And then also, if you have a seat of Bluebeam already, then you can go explore Bluebeam University. And that is pretty stinking awesome.
Yeah. One final little note is if you are a professor and or academic card carrying, hey, look around and try to outfit your students with softwares they're actually going to use later.
Yeah.
I have seen academic programs in construction that they're outfitting their students with softwares that just don't get used at all.
Yeah.
I'm going, okay, that might be, that's a thing they can learn, but why would you not try to seat them with like industry standard softwares?
That comes with asking a bunch of questions of a bunch of contractors too.
Yeah. If you don't know, ask.
Yeah.
if you don't know, drop us a note.
Please.
Like, we'll let you know what we see used a lot.
I'll connect you with a lot of people. If you drop us a note, contact at brospodcast.com. Happy to connect you with a bunch of people to, give you insights into what is being used in the industry.
Most are going to be very willing to try to put something in your hands. So cost really isn't an excuse to try to find good softwares and to start educating people before they get out into the real world, the air quotes, real world.
Real world. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Go explore some of those fun little resources from Bluebeam and let us know if you got any questions. Happy to support and give you a hand. So go build something awesome.